Hey there, creative souls. Do you think you need a fancy compass or a professional art studio to create something beautiful? Think again. Today, I'm here to show you that you don't need to be a master artist to make amazing art. All you needed is your imagination, some basic tools, and a willingness to have fun. So, grab your pencils, markers, or whatever you have nearby, and let's dive into the world of shapes, colors, and endless possibilities. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with something simple yet magical: circles. You might think circles are just circles, right? But they're actually the foundation of so many beautiful things. And guess what? You don't even need a compass to draw one. Look around you. Cups, lids, bowls, anything with a round edge can help you create perfect circles. Place them on your paper, trace around, and boom, you've got your first shape down. Easy, right? Now let's take it up a notch. Alright, now let's get a little fancy. Try stacking those circles inside each other. This is called making concentric circles, and it's as simple as tracing a slightly smaller object inside a bigger one. Or freehand it if you're feeling adventurous. The goal isn't perfection, it's about having fun and getting creative. Notice how these circles create a sense of movement, almost like ripples in a pond? Beautiful, isn't it? Feel free to experiment with different sizes and see how your design changes. And hey, don't forget to smile, this is the fun part. Now, let's add some life to these circles. Imagine each ring as a garden bed, and you're planting flowers in it. Simple, right? Start by adding small, simple flowers in the spaces between your circles. Think of daisies, sunflowers, or even whimsical flowers that exist only in your mind. It's like creating a mini universe of blooms that radiate outwards. This is where you get to play. Don't worry about symmetry too much. Let your flowers grow wild and free. And if you do want a bit of balance, just mirror some of your designs. It's all up to you. Feeling more confident? Great! Let's play around with symmetry now. Try drawing similar flowers opposite each other, creating a balanced yet dynamic look. Or mix it up. Add dots, lines, and other little patterns inside and around your flowers. The more you add, the more it feels like your circles are bursting with life. Remember, there are no mistakes here, just happy little accidents that make your art uniquely yours. Hey, if you're enjoying this, why not give it a shot? Grab whatever's around you and start drawing. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be yours. And don't forget to show off your work. Snap a picture, post it online, and tag me. I'd love to see your creations. And if you want more fun, easy art ideas, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss a single creative moment. Let's fill the world with our art. So there you have it, art without rules, without pressure, and without needing anything fancy. Just you, your imagination, and whatever you can find around the house. Who knew circles and flowers could be so much fun? Remember, art is about expressing yourself and enjoying the process. So keep creating, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep having fun. Thanks for drawing with me today. Until next time, stay inspired and keep making beautiful things. Happy creating, everyone!